Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate at home, easy method. Heat 2 cups milk in a small saucepan over medium heat until steaming but not boiling. Whisk in 2 tablespoons cocoa and 1 tablespoon sugar until fully combined and smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness or cocoa to your preference. Pour into mugs and add toppings like whipped cream, marshmallows, or a cinnamon stick for extra warmth and comfort. Warm up your hot chocolate by experimenting with flavors and textures. Try stirring 1 teaspoon vanilla or 1 ounce melted chocolate into the mixture for a deeper profile. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the chocolate without adding sweetness. For a fun twist, sprinkle cinnamon, a tiny pinch of cayenne, or a drop of peppermint extract. Finish with whipped cream or marshmallows and enjoy a personalized cup that suits your texture. Makes a big difference in a cozy cup of hot chocolate. Choose whole milk or blend with a splash of cream for a richer mouthfeel. Whisk vigorously or use a handheld frother to introduce air and create a silky foam on top. Heat slowly over medium to low so the milk never scalds and the chocolate fully dissolves. Serve in pre-warmed mugs to keep it hot longer and sip slowly for maximum enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.